dude. Step outside when you're gonna take a shit, man. Damn, there's a bathroom right there.
I know, I did.
No, you weren't out of here, nothing, man. Damn. Can't even fucking breathe in here, man. Alright, do you put oxidizer on it?
Yeah.
Alright, what's the oxidizer for?
To keep it from rusting.
Yeah, exactly. Just similar motors corrode each other. Landed a 400 amp breaker, top fed. We landed another one, and we just landed another one, and we landed another one. Everything is in place. We're about to land black, red, blue. We only got black. We got the red right here, and Stinky Alex is getting the rest ready. You ready? Let's get there. Let's see. Let's show them how it's done.
What are we doing?
Right there. So I'm gonna feed the red. We're gonna compress it down. We want the red to touch the floor. Right? Now, so push it down again. We gotta be close enough. Yeah. Alright, now push this from me. Pull from me. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. I'm gonna make my 90 here. Alright, here's my cut right there. Cut. Good job. It's important to know there's no power here. Alright, pull the red out of our cycle. All we got is blue left. Right. Got we're gonna start our own TV show, Midnight Electricians. We don't ever get to go home with them. This right here, 3/16. Back. All right. Break is off. Put that back up there. Alex is about to feed blue. Damn, Alex, man, you stink like shit, man. You gotta stop eating Whataburger. Damn. All right. Golly, I walked into that, man. I could like taste it. Golly, man. It's like a grill McGriddle sandwich or something. What the hell you been eating, man? Hold on, go back. Go back. All right, now push. All right, hold on. Hold on. All right. I gotta curve this in here. Pull it back just a little bit. All right. There you go. All right, right there. Pull back, right there. Knife. Sometimes you gotta use. Trust the knife. There you go, Alex. I already put oxidizer on it, you see it? Looks like a bunch of nut. That's how you know it's done. Remember, the panels are off, there's no electricity here. I checked everything for Alex, so it's very safe. If there was electricity there, he sees on his knees with no rubber pad, he could have gotten really big trouble. Could have got hurt really bad. Now Freddie is about to land. Nine. Down, you ready? Up. Got it? All right, give me a good cut right here. All right, put the cutters away. No, I'm gonna need the cutters still, but take all the wire and roll it up. We got about 20 feet of each still. Dang, we still got a lot of wire. That's good. On these type of breakers, you only want to cut a little bit off. On this type of breaker right there, you only want to cut a little bit off. This type of breaker, they eaten, so you only want to take about, usually you normally take from the back of your thumb to here and you cut down here. But instead, on this one, you do like less than half of that because there's not that much. You don't really want too much wire exposed inside the bus. And the best knife to use for this is your Klein stripper. Klein utility knife. Klein utility knife. It's important to know that I didn't make these panels. I'm just landing the big stuff and the breakers. That's it. Somebody was here before me, so that's why they look the way they look. You got wires like this. You got all kinds of stuff. I don't know what this stuff is, but I'm here to fix the ampacity problem they were having. So that's all I came to do. Okay, so this is landed. It's in the off position. I turned it back on. There's no power here. If I wanted power to be here, all I would have to do is turn the 400 amp breaker over there, turn it on. But I'm gonna leave it in the off position. And I normally turn all my breakers off when I get ready to turn them back on. Just for protection of a surge. You usually have a surge that surges in and sometimes it damages the breaker. So now we're gonna land that one up there, which I need a bigger one of these because this is only 3/16, but I always have the little monster, I call them. I use this one when I work transformer and stuff. You need more of the room, so you always want this. And look at this one. You can make it long if you want. Look at that, huh? How about making that long if I want? That's what she said. So we got that. This is the wrong. This is the wrong kit. So get my. Oh, that's it. Now, these come in pretty handy, these long ones, extended ones, when you're working on this type. On this type, on this type as well, huh? So, hopefully this is the one. This is my favorite one. This one always gets them. It's 5/16. Saves me a headache. I'm gonna hit it all with oxidizer to protect my collections, my cable connections. 3/16 Allen wrench. Usually gets it. This panel's ready. We'll put the dead front on it to protect it, to protect personnel as they walk by. We want to protect them, so we'll put our dead front on it. It's important to know that I always put the screws on it when I take it off, the dead front off. Now I don't know what all this powers, but tomorrow we're gonna run tests and try to make everything work. And I'm Freddie America, and we'll get back to you when we do something else. I want to do my next video will be on the transformer, the installation. I already landed it and everything, but I want to show you how it should be landed. It's Alex first transformer. Here you go.